In the name of Almighty Allah, who is kind and most merciful. My greetings to honorable teachers and to all who are listening us. I am Kainat Narejo from class 9, section B. Here I am a group members, and today's our presentation topic is the history of classification.
This is me Dua Zara from class 9. Today our topic is history of classification. The system that we still use today for giving scientific name to plants and animals has many founders, from the Greek philosopher Aristotle to the Swedish and physician botanist Carolus Linnaeus. Taxonomy's first father was the philosopher Aristotle, sometimes called the father of science. It was Aristotle who first introduced the two key concepts of taxonomy as we practice it today.
This is me, Sadhna Duseja, in front of you. So I tell you, first philosopher Aristotle. Aristotle was the first attempt to classify all the kinds of animals. On his book on animals, Historia Animalium in Latin, he grouped the type of creatures with their similarities: animals with blood, animals without blood, animals live on land, and animals live on water. And the second philosopher is Abu Usman Umar al-Jais. Abu Usman Umar al-Jais was the first zoologist of the Muslim world. He used slaughter to studying the internal organs of their bodies, and he also opened the pregnant animals of seeing the number of embryos and location of each of them in the body. His encyclopedic work in big volumes on his Kitab al-Hayawan, book on animals, which he has described all the kinds of animals, their behavior, characteristic, disease and treatment.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Umama Niyaz from grade 9P. Today, I'm glad that I got this opportunity to share my knowledge with all of you. Today, the topic I will be presenting is kingdom Plantae. Kingdom scientists have kept all the types of plants under one kingdom Plantae, on the basis of some specific similar characteristics. They are their cell organization, their body organization, their cell wall, and their mode of nutrition. Cell organization: plants contain eukaryotic cell organization because in their cell the nuclear membrane is absent, therefore their nucleoplasm is scattered within the cytoplasm. Their body organization: they are multicellular organisms, and because they are able to be seen with the naked eyes, we don't need any microscope or any other instrument to see them. Their cell wall: is cell wall present or absent? Yes, cell wall is present in the cell of the plants. Their mode of nutrition means how they take their food, what is the manner, what is the way they gain their food. Plants make their own food with the help of a process, photosynthesis, during the daytime. Therefore, they are autotrophs. That's all.
Kingdom Monera. It includes all the prokaryotes, example bacteria and cyanobacteria. Prokaryote is a group of living organisms having prokaryotic or primitive nucleus. Prokaryotes are unicellular, is called bacteria, in which each single cell contains a single DNA. Kingdom Protista. It is a place for all eukaryotic organisms except yeast, which some of them have the features of both plants and animals like.
So now I define our chart for your better understanding. Characters in Monera: cell type prokaryote, cell wall plasmodium plus amino acid or cellulose. In nuclear membrane, absent. Body organization: cellular with bonding organelles. Made of nutrition: autotroph, semosynthetic, photosynthesis, and heterotrophic, saprotic protista. And in Protista kingdom, cell type is eukaryote, cell wall present in some, nuclear membrane present, body organization: cellulose, made of nutrition, autotroph, photosynthesis, and heterotrophic. And in fungi kingdom, cell type is eukaryote, cell wall is present with out cellulose, nuclear membrane present, body organization multicellular, loose tissues, made of nutrition, heterotroph, saprotrophic, parasitic. And in Plantae kingdom, cell type is eukaryote, present in cell wall, present cellulose, nuclear membrane present, body organization tissue organ, made of nutrition, autotrophic, photosynthesis. And in animal, cell type is eukaryote, cell wall is absent, and nuclear membrane present, body organization tissue organ system, and made of nutrition, heterotrophic, halozoic, saprophic, etc.
And now let me give you a short summary of this whole presentation. First of all, in history of classification, Greek philosopher Aristotle gave the divided organisms into two main groups, namely plants and animals. And then in history of classification in 18th century, Carl Linnaeus classified organisms into two main groups. And then in 1969, Aristotle proposed the 5 kingdom classification: kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animalia, and then kingdom Plantae, on the basis of lifestyle, phylogenetic relationships, and so on.
That's all our presentation. Thank you for listening us. I hope you all like it. Thank you.